Good evening, my dear ones. How are you all? Today we are on day 24 of our 45 days compost challenge. So today I'll be starting with a new compost bin, and before that let me just fill the last one with a layer of dried leaves. I'm purposely keeping a lot of space here so that whenever there is moisture in this bin, I can add a lot of brown matter. So I'll just add dried leaves in this. This is my funnel. I'll just add this. That give it a mix. So I'm starting with my new bin. I'll mark here day 24. Fill it with a layer of dried leaves. I'll add the dried, sun-dried wet waste. Yeah. We consume chikkus here, so this chikku is grown locally. So I've just collected seeds from it, and I'll be sowing it in the soil in my, not my backyard, but the building backyard, so that we can have a local variety of fruit tree growing and it can serve to everyone. Now is the mango season, so just try and sun dry it and try and sow in on your road, roadsides or in your garden. Even if it doesn't bear fruit, at least it can create a foliage and give us shade, so it will be really helpful. You can also do that with your cooked food leftover. You can dig a pit in the ground, just dump all your cooked food leftover. If you don't have place in your house to make compost bins and store them, just dig a pit and put all the leftovers in that. Cover it with a nice layer of soil and sow a seed. every day whenever you're going for work or you're going for walk. We are going, I mean, here my husband is still going for work because there's no complete lockdown. So if you have that facility, please avail it now. It's a good time to water your plants. And just once the sapling has come up, monsoons are coming up very soon, so it will be really beneficial for our mother earth if we can plant trees whenever possible. So just collect the seeds and dump your kitchen waste and sow the seeds, and every day try and just water a bit. One small bottle you can carry and just keep watering, so that will be very helpful. Okay, so let me continue with my composting work. I'll just put the dried matter in this. So with the sun you can see it's become nice crisp. You can just literally break it. And wherever possible, just remove the seeds, like I've done with the pumpkins. I'm doing it with the capsicum. And sow it. If you don't have place in your house to grow plants, you can just sow them wherever it's possible. Alright, so I'll just complete this part. This is the entire fruit which needs to cut and which needs to be cut, and then I'll put it in the compost bin because it's not good, it seems. So I'll do that later. And let me make holes for the aerobic part of the composting. Just very tiny I'm making this time. Tiny and multiple. On both the sides. I have my buttermilk as a starter, so I'll just add that a bit. Just shake it. Okay. So here during this challenge, what I'm specifically doing is I'm trying to put the dry waste which I'm creating, which is getting created every day. Like milk bottles, we cannot really avoid here. We don't get fresh milk, so we need to buy bottles only. In these 24 days, none of my milk bottles have gone into the trash. I have used them each, like one bottle comes for us, 2 liter bottle we consume for 2 to 3 days. So in that I just put on my on my wet waste in that for composting. That's how I'm utilizing my dry waste. If you guys don't have any plastic bottles, if you guys have any clay pots, those are the best for composting, because you don't need to really worry much about the moisture. The clay pots are they are apt to make compost. So if you have storage facility, if you have enough space, go for it. Otherwise you can still use the plastic bottles. Okay, so if you are very much dedicated with the composting part only, if you want to really concentrate on that, just go for the clay pots whenever it's possible. For me, my first aim is to just handle whatever dry waste I am creating in my house. So that's the way I am looking at it, and I am trying to use it. Okay, so that's it for today, and happy composting, happy T2T, love you all, bye.